majestic steel artistry wrapped in elegance. The 1965 Pontiac Bonneville Coupe was more than a car. It was a statement of American confidence at its peak. The Bonneville name had already established itself in the late 1950s as Pontiac's halo model, but by 1965 it had reached a golden maturity with design, performance, and presence that set it apart from competitors. The 1965 model year was significant not only for Bonneville, but for General Motors as a whole, as this was the first year of the full-size GM B-body redesign, giving the coupe a longer, lower, and wider stance with the famous Coke bottle shape that defined mid-60s styling. The Bonneville Coupe carried an aura of sophistication with its stretched 120-foot wheelbase and elegant detailing, making it larger and more upscale than its Catalina and Star Chief siblings. Under its hood, buyers had choices that reflected Pontiac's performance-driven philosophy. The base engine was a 389 cubic inch V8, producing up to 325 horsepower, while higher trims could be equipped with the mighty 421 cubic inch V8 delivering 338 to 376 horsepower depending on carburetor setup. A tri-power configuration with 3 two-barrel carburetors made the Bonneville a full-sized muscle machine cloaked in luxury, capable of performance figures that surprised many given its size and weight. Over the years, the Bonneville continued to evolve. The late 1960s kept pushing displacement and horsepower higher, while the 1970s saw the shift toward more luxury and softer styling as emissions, regulations, and fuel crises reshaped the market. By the 1980s, the Bonneville name moved into the mid-size and later full-size sedan segment. Becoming front-wheel drive by the late decade, the performance edge of the 60s gradually faded, but the 1965 Coupe remained a high point in Pontiac's history, combining muscle with elegance in a way few others could match. Today, surviving 1965 Pontiac Bonneville Coupes are highly collectible, with pristine models commanding anywhere from $30,000 to $70,000, depending on originality, options, and condition. Compared with rivals like the Chevrolet Impala SS or Ford Galaxy 500, the Bonneville carried more prestige and exclusivity, often appealing to buyers who wanted muscle car spirit wrapped in a luxury Grand Tourer body. It stands as a reminder of an era when Detroit's ambitions seemed limitless, when design and horsepower were sculpted to make a car not just transportation, but a dream on wheels. Be part of our community where stories of icons like this live on, where passion connects us, and where we keep the spirit of automotive legends alive together.